Hi, this is Etienne again. Thanks for showing up and watching my video. Today, I'm going to dive into what does it mean to you with the lower interest rate that just happened. As somebody that is looking in the market, are you looking to sell? Are you looking to buy? What does the lower interest rate mean to you? Before I jump on that, I want you to follow me on all social media, Etienne Real Estate Group, Etienne Emerson Real Estate, and also share it with your friends and family. It's very important. You need to share it with your friends and family so that they'll be blessed as well. So if your family are blessed, and family are well off just like you, that means they'll be less dependent on you. So you as well make everybody around you prosper like you too, so that you help each other as much as nobody is depending, putting too much unnecessary burden on you. So it's in your best interest to share this video to your friends and family. The topic is the recent lower interest rates that the Bank of Canada just did, or even in the US, they just happened by the Fed in the US. How does it affect you? What does it mean to you if you are in the market to buy, if you are in the market to sell, you have a property to sell, or you're buying? So how does that affect you? So now, as a buyer, if you're looking to buy, what that means is that your carrying cost of the mortgage here in Canada and in most Western world, they have what you call mortgages. That means if you're buying a house for, let's say, $500,000, you don't need to come up with $500,000. If you have $25,000, which is like 5%, you can actually buy the house. So what happened is that the other $475,000, the bank will lend it to you. Of course, they will charge you interest rate. Like I said in my previous video, the interest rate that the bank gives to you is based on prime rate, and your prime rate that you get is based on your credit worthiness. How wealthy are you with your credit? If you are credit worthy, that means bank can trust you. You pay your credit card on time. You pay your loans on time. They don't chase you around. Your rate goes up. You don't default or anything like that on your mortgage or any other thing. Then you're going to get their lowest rate, But on the other hand, the reverse, if you don't pay your credit card on time, you're defaulting left and right, guess what? They will hit you with a higher rate if they even lend to you. So if they hit you with a higher rate, what that means is that it's going to be hard for you to carry that mortgage. It might become too much for you to qualify, or the amount of loan you're going to qualify will be reduced. So it's always good, keep your credit up. If you're looking to buy, you're in the market, the interest rate is getting lower, that means it's time for you to jump in. Don't wait for tomorrow. Don't wait any longer. In fact, it's always advisable to buy when the interest rate is even higher, because guess what? Less people are in the market to buy. Sellers are having hard time to sell. So you can actually negotiate and get a better deal, as opposed to if you are not, you have to wait till the interest is very, very low. If the interest rate comes so low, like 1.99 that we used to have 5-7 years ago, that sounds like donkey years ago, that means more people. And you remember, this happened. More people jump into the market. More people are chasing after a very few properties. People were overbidding way more than the asking price, paying $100,000 more than the asking price, $200,000, $300,000 more than the asking price. That wasn't that long ago. Remember that. I know we have short memories, but remember those days. So it will come again. Trust me, it will come again, because Canada, they are building lesser and lesser home, especially when it comes to detached home that is by themselves, duplex in Nigeria, all by themselves, single family home by itself, not attached to any other house. Those houses, builders in Canada are building less and less of those. So those times are coming. as the rate keep on going down, the competition become more and more and become more fierceful. And so you don't want to get caught on your pants down. If you want to buy, jump on the market, buy. The worst you can do is get a house and get a variable on it. If the rate comes down in the future, you get it. You get a lower rate because it changes, it's variable rate. So you don't really have anything to lose. If I were you, I will go ahead and jump on it. I will go and buy right now. That is for you as a buyer. Now, seller. It's also a good news for you if you are a seller. I know in the last few months, last year, last 2 years, have not been a seller's market. To be honest with you, it has been a buyer's market. But now the rates are coming down. That is also giving you hope that more buyers are going to be coming to the market. That means more opportunity for you to sell your home. So it's also a good news for you. Again, it's not, if you really want to sell and really make a lot of profit, it's not the right time for you to sell. It's still very early to make a lot of profit on your home. So if you can hold that house a little bit longer, maybe till next spring or so, do it, because right now it's still a buyer's market. So even though it's getting better, I've seen some houses are being, they are selling now, things are moving, movement are happening, but it's not the time that you used to make a whole tons of money, whereby it used to be like ATM machine. But right now, if you have to sell, list it, you have a better chance of selling now than it was 6 months ago, a month ago, or even a week ago. So you go ahead, list it, and sell it. That is the time for you to sell your property now, because interest rates are coming down and more buyers will be coming soon. More buyers knocking at your door, they're going to offer you your price, hopefully the price that you really want to sell it for. And if you have to take a little bit of shaving and you really need to sell, just take it. Take it and move on with your life, And whatever you lose here, you can always get it back. As long as you take that money, you invest it, you will always get it back. So it's not one way for you to make money in real estate. You can make money 2 ways. You can make money by selling. You can also make money by buying. So it's not always when you sell that you make money. When you buy in real estate, sometimes you actually make money on it before you even get your key. If you get it at a good price, good location, and at the right time. If the market is turning like we are in right now, we are in that market space right now, there's going to be a turn. Yeah, surely, slowly, but it's turning.